Welcome to Cloudbeds Groups and Events, a purpose-built workflow for managing your group business entirely inside your PMS. For most properties, group bookings account for 20 to 60% of total revenue. If you're still handling that process in spreadsheets, Word docs, and email threads, it's time for an upgrade. Groups and Events brings quoting, coordination, and account visibility into one connected workflow. Whether you're managing wedding blocks, corporate accounts, or conference groups, you can move from quoting to execution without leaving Cloudbeds. Start by selecting a group block, then open the quote drawer and configure everything. Simply click Create Quote when you're ready. This will create a professional PDF in seconds, then open it to see exactly what your client sees. The quote includes your property logo, a rate breakdown by room type and date, itemized taxes, the grand total, payment terms, and the cancellation policy. Everything is clearly laid out, and the quote is ready to send directly from Cloudbeds. Once a quote is accepted, copy the group booking URL. Guests arrive on Booking Engine with the property code already applied. The correct rates, dates, and inventory are all included in a single link, with no manual code entry required. Inside every allotment block, there's now a dedicated rooming list tab. It gives you one centralized place to manage every guest tied to that block with no need to bounce between screens. You can still upload a rooming list like before, but the real upgrade is the interactive grid. It's as simple as a spreadsheet with live inventory behind it. Before any reservations are finalized, the system checks for missing information and capacity issues, displaying red error messages so you can catch the fixes before hitting submit. But what happens when the guest list is changing on the fly? Send the public rooming list to your wedding planner or corporate travel manager. They can fill in guest details through a secure web page with no Cloudbeds login needed. The system checks inventory in real time, so there's no risk of overbooking. The hotel still reviews and approves everything before any reservations are created, eliminating the back and forth. Open a group profile and see account history, relationships, and activity shared across all your properties. Your sales team can manage the entire group pipeline from one tab. No email threads, no spreadsheets, and no guesswork. Groups are processed faster, revenue stays protected, and the manual work is gone. With Cloudbeds Groups and Events, you can go beyond room bookings and manage every stage of your group business directly inside of Cloudbeds.